Jamaica. So, boy, I don't know. It's like I'm just ready to talk about every frigging thing in our country annoy me. You know that I just saw the news that St. Andrew man from Red Hills got life imprisonment for a gun and ammunition that was found in his ceiling. Gun and ammunition found in his ceiling. We know it's a gun apparently illegal and shouldn't have been. Right now, Jamaica should have been a place where every law-abiding citizen have access to getting a licensed firearm so that we can protect ourselves from criminals and from police. From criminals and from police and from the government. I'm going to tell you why I said from police. Now, how is it that Silvera, the PMP ex-MP man, how is it Silvera choose a manslaughter plea when there was a murder weapon? A person was murdered, dead in a house, paint over the place, retile the place. And the judge, Justice Sykes, Chief Justice Sykes, agreed to the plea. The DPP, the prosecution, the prosecutors agreed that yes, we will accept your plea. Not tell me shit, but it was a good deal or a good plea when there's a body, there's a murder weapon attached to the drunker. But a man with a little firearm and ammunition named ceiling. Huh? That's what the news say. They find him with gun. They didn't find him with a body. And you gave him life imprisonment. Life imprisonment. And Silvera should walk away with manslaughter. And the country is quiet. Where is Andrew Michael Holness? Where is Andrew Michael Holness? So you get life imprisonment for a weapon. Yeah? But a person who actually used the weapon and take the life of another human being. A high-ranking person in Jamaica